I'm so damn glad that you let me try it again. Because my last time on earth, I lived a whole world of sin. Nating mga vices na along the way, naga-take toll sa atong sarili. Sa drinking is one of those. Uy, kaduman ako ni Hilak ba?
Again, wala ko na tuyo.
Kaduman.
Can you sing that part?
Ang lingap mo ay hanapin sa entablado minsan ay sa akin. Ready na ako.
Ready na. So, simulan na natin. People story. All the time. Mga ka-All Talks, welcome to All Talks of Life Season 2! And today is gonna be another inspiring episode. Ang ating guest, someone who truly embodies resilience, yung lumalaban sa buhay with passion. Alam niyo po, he captivated audience with his music. Hindi lang doon, but even uplifted people with his life story. A very talented person in many ways, singer, motivational speaker, and life mentor known as the King Tiger. A force of inspiration. Walang iba kundi a good friend of mine, Jay Pabualan. Jay, welcome to All Talks.
Good morning.
Kumusta?
I'm doing good.
Yeah.
God is good.
All the
All
time.
the time.
Last time nag-usap pa tayo, hindi ko pa nabuo ang All Talks of Life. And sabi ko sa'yo, Jay, your story should be heard at All Talks of Life na gagawin.
In a wider scope.
Yeah,
diba?
Vibecast. Kasi
Yes.
parati tayo nag-uusap. So now, eto, nandito ka na.
And to tell you honestly, this is the first time that I will be sharing the story.
So you are sharing it in groups, pero ngayon mo share.
Correct.
Kumbaga, social media.
Social media.
Openly.
Openly, yes.
So, ang tanong ko, tulad ng tanong ko parate sa show ko, andam na ba mo? O andam na ba ka?
And ready na ako.
Ready
ako.
na. So, simulan na natin. Okay, Jay, ikwento mo sa amin kung paano nagsimula ang isang Jay.
To start with, I am a computer engineer by profession.
Okay, nagsimula ka,
Yes.
yun ang course mo,
Yun ang course
nakagraduate ka,
I worked for a while and then I stopped working because of my passion in singing.
music. Pero bata ka pa, mahilig ka ng kumanta.
Siguro masuko ko kung walay mo tanaw sa ko mo kanta.
Unsang edad ka nagsugod og
As
singing
far as I
in
can
front
remember,
of people?
As far as I can remember, when my mother used to bring me sa school, so they used to put me on top of the table, tapos kanta ko dito, tapos amaze ko pag day mo palakpak.
Performer ka na.
Performer. Yes.
Kasi pag nilagay ka sa table ng nanay mo, you will start singing.
Yes. So active ako sa school, academically, pero sa extracurricular activities, mas passionate pod ko.
So, pasabot ba ani when there are school affairs, school events?
Ako din na ilang maisip.
Kanta dayon na.
Representative dahil na sa department. O engineering department. O kasi ipadala din mag-contest ng singing. O ako din na ilang maisip.
Wa pud kay duha-duha.
Walay duha-duha. But ironically speaking, I am kumbaga, ang akong personality manggod is introvert by nature.
Sandali ha?
Weird, no?
Bata ka, butang ka, mag-perform ka. They will see you as an extrovert, but by nature you are an introvert.
Yes, I love being myself. Kumbaga, I find peace kung ako lang.
Okay, so once you are in school, you are Jay the introvert, pero
Yes.
pag later on, naanak ka dito sa mga performance level,
Correct.
Jay the extrovert. Mauna siya.
Tama. So, na-develop lang po siguro ang akong pagka-extrovert. And I can call myself as an ambivert siguro.
Siyempre, na-develop yun dahil sa performance in singing, standing on stage, nagkasabay tayo with ABS-CBN. Ano yung mga
Yes.
show, sa anong era ka ng show pumasok sa
Era
ABS?
pa yun.
Okay. Dawa to na good dato. Tanawa pa good J.O. Look, pareho. Wala
Wala
nagsabot.
nagsabot.
Pero mao ang atong color sa
Color
Sabina.
coordinator. Wala siya nitawag. Unsay motif na to ron? Wala. Wala. Yun na sin.
And my call to you to be part of All Talks of Life was at the last minute,
Yes.
kagabi lang at 11 p.m., di ba? So,
Salamat po kayo sa chance na mahimong featured guest dere sa imo.
At salamat po for saying yes at the last minute. Pero Jay, going back.
Yeah, moving forward.
Ano
moving
panahon?
forward.
Sige, sabihin na lang natin, ang journey ng TV was alas 4 sa Yabba-Dabba-Dabba-Do, Sabado Jam.
SBD.
So SBD Jam, SBD Jam. Panahon nila Joey Concepcion
Joey,
at saka Al Ryan.
o ikaw. Tapos naabtan pa po na ko to sila Claudette, eh.
Yes, sila
KSP na to.
Yes, nagkasabay pa kay ni Claude sa banda, right?
Sa KSP, sila si Reg, di ba?
Yes.
O at least nakasabay na ko to medyo mas bata-bata pa.
Pero di na lang tayo mag-hisgot kung unsa ng mga edad nato.
Ayun.
Kung ma-relate.
It will remain a secret.
Yeah, it will remain a secret. Basta golden na ta.
Yeah. Tuwara.
Nahuli na. Hindi, but going back, Jay, so, anong naabot ni Jay when it comes to music?
Daghan. Naka-join ko og mga pop, Metro Pop
Mm-hmm.
Festival in Cebu, no? Tapos na-feature po na akong song sa isa ka drama sa radio before, and then eventually I get the chance to perform in a wider scope, both locally and internationally.
At syempre, yung TV
The
exposure
TV
mo.
exposure pa.
Then, finally,
matingala na lang ko, nakitaan ta ka namin sa US, pero nakitaan nila sa TFC.
yes, because ang ating show pinapalabas sa TFC.
Yes, that's
before.
right.
Then, finally, you have the biggest chance, which is to go abroad,
To
right?
go abroad.
Saan to the country?
Which was also unplanned.
Yeah.
Because a friend of mine, he's actually Mocha. If you have known him, kasama siya sa Naughty Notes before. So
then, si Mocha
si
invited
Mocha
you.
invited me, and then I went to Abu Dhabi. Another tawag gani, adjustment. Another set of people naman ang akong i-adjust, di ba? So surprisingly, naganahan ko.
Giganahan ka performing abroad.
Yes.
Okay, so Abu Dhabi ang first.
Abu Dhabi ang first, and then tuloy-tuloy na. Nag-Dubai.
Okay, Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
Then,
Nag-Dubai. And then, dugay ko ang akong opportunity to perform in Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes.
Wow, no? Grabe. What happened in Thailand?
Thailand has so many memories. Both good and bad. Okay, when I was in Thailand, daghan gyapon mo message kasi I started my page manggod na kanang J. Before it became King Tiger, it was actually a page lang. J. Since naara ko sa hotel, wala man ko'y activity kayo, so I just inspire people through online.
Okay.
And then siguro that led me to what I am right now as a King Tiger.
Wow.
So daghan mag-message na yung mga problemado kay nga mga tao, magtambag-tambag pug ko. So una tambag plainly, tambag-tambag lang sa ilaha.
So this was during the time that you were looking at yourself as a performer pa.
Yes.
Dili pa as a motivational speaker
Dili
and
pa.
life mentor.
Wala pa.
Oh, okay.
wala pa.
So when you were performing in Thailand, daghan naga-message
On the
kaya
sides.
makakita nimo. Ganahan
Iana.
ka mo tambag.
Oh yes.
Why?
Siguro ma-feel na ko na murag valued ka,
Mhm.
no? Pag na kay mga nga nang magpasalamat sila sa imo ha. Tapos unknowingly kato mga nagpasalamat sa imo, dili man pud mo to personally kaila.
Yes.
Pero kuan sila sa imo, message sila mo, thank you very much for inspiring me. Thank you for being able to change my life.
Wow.
So I am so grateful for that. And aside from that, siguro nga inspiring na ko, I would consider being able to perform for the royal family
Sa Thailand.
Sa Thailand. Kinaghan magud nagaadto dito sa amuang hotel.
Mhm.
Every now and then mga Hollywood stars, it's a high-end resort.
So, doon sa hotel ninyo na high-end,
Daghan kay na mga artista na gato. Local artist na na-meet na ako na perform
Sa Thailand.
Sa Thailand.
pero sabi mo meron ring mga Hollywood
Hollywood,
artists.
wala kay katawanan gani kayo kay naa dito si Hayden Christensen.
Okay. The one who played the young Darth Vader.
Yes,
Sa Star Wars.
Star Wars
Oh.
tapos national movie di ba? Kuan siya sa Jumper.
Yes.
Kasama siya dito.
Mm.
So unknowing, tingala ko first set pa lang nako kasi naman ni sila pang request og tabtamping, chambawamba, mga it's very unusual.
The songs na ganahan ka mo kanta, di ba?
Ganahan mo kuha na kay mo man atong ginakalakihan diri sa Davao. Pero during the first set and having a dinner, parang it's weird man
Kasi dapat dinner slow
dinner
pa.
slow pa lang. Pero it's a group of people. Tingnan ko mga foreigner niya, mga itsuraan, mga bata. So, pag human naman sa mo ang gig, ni ana si boss naman tagiya sa hotel. Siya nga, guys, You missed the chance to take a picture with him. So, sino yun, boss? So, naadiri katong nag-shoot sa jumper dito mismo sa hotel day nag-shoot.
So that was pero it's a good thing because
Yes.
unknowingly naaday big star but
Uh,
you still perform as you are.
Tama?
Tama?
Ordinary ra kayo sila dito, apir-apir mo dito.
Pero like anyone else, Jay, kahit gaano kasaya, gaano ka-passionate, may mga struggles din.
Daghan.
So your path hasn't been easy. Anong nangyari?
It has never been like a walk in the park. Ang ako ang journey gyud in general sa life. Particularly when I was in Thailand. Sabi ko nga, doon ko na experience ang kagandahan sa buhay.
Buhay?
I even decided to stay in Thailand for good.
You decided
Yes.
already.
Kaya mura naman ko living like a
Local.
Oo. Tapos provided tanan. Tapos I can use
So you are a star there.
Yes. Tapos I can even use the villa during that time na kanang dili peak season. We can choose a villa to stay.
So living the life.
Or living the life. Ang nangyari, you know what? Ang dili tanan gusto nato sa kinabuhi nato. Gusto lang nato. Kay napay better plans ang nasa taas. So sometimes the Lord will take it away from you in an instant. So dito nahitabo sa Thailand, nagkasakit ko.
I heard it
Siguro,
was a near-death experience.
it was really a near-death experience and it's very traumatic and I decided not to even talk about it. Pero right now siguro I have this confidence to somehow share it to the public. For the past nag-accumulate na, no, kay nata dito sa time nga sige tag-enjoy natay mga vices na along the way naga take toll sa atong sarili. Sa drinking is one of those, 'di ba? So it really affected my health, particularly sa liver.
Okay?
So,
Particularly sa liver.
Yes.
Anong nangyari sa
So
liver
nagkaroon
mo?
ako ng early stage of cancer sa liver. Tapos na-hospitalize ko dito for 3 months.
3 months.
3 months.
With nobody, not a family member na dito.
First week, ako lang isa. And of course, I'm so blessed lang siguro kay nasi Cookie dito. Cookie Maglana, if you know her, right? Tapos ang tag-iyapod mismo sa hotel, sila si Kun Magan, sila Kun David, at ang mga parents nila, they considered me as their
Son.
family, son na. So I'm so grateful lang talaga na they were there during my darkest hour.
What was the feeling of Jay during that time? 3 months.
Dili na ko ma-imagine kay ngano man. Kanang layo ka sa imong pamilya. Layo pa gyud ka sa imong lugar. Naka sa foreign land, nagkasakit pa gyud ka. Nya mura kag mapraning nga kanang ang katapad nimo sa ospital naa ka dito sa kanang mga kasama nimo katong mga maghingalo na. Tas ang akong feeling atong mamatay na gyud ko ani. Mamatay na gyud ko ani. So sige lang ko ugwan, sige lang gyud ko kanang clouded na kay nga akong time, ang ako ang ulo. I didn't know what to do. Muraw ka ng tawag ani. Libog nang anong sometimes I ask myself or I even ask the Lord nganong ingani butan man ko nganong kaon man nimo ni sa kuha nganong ingani all of a sudden wala man ko gihimo nga siguro nakatapa ko lain tao pero why me ana
Jay, bring me back to the moment ngano ka gira sa hospital.
wala ko nag-expect gid ato kasi as far as I can remember the time prior to my hospitalization, we were on our gig, kami ni Cookie, and then the usual mga good thing, pag matulog na ang room na mo, tapad lang man, so magbeso-beso, may good night friend, nakaramdam na ko palpitation. So, pero kwan siya ng abnormal palpitation, pati shirt nimo maramdaman makita
na
yun
sa-
nimo siya nang ngana tingin ko nga sige na ko pamasahe ato nga time mamasahe basig na lang kapoy ra kay ko kulang akong tulog pero the usual thing manggod kaya man ako bisan pag magbinuntagay
Yeah.
pero right at that moment kapoy gid siya then when I woke up the next day maglisod ako bangon So that's when they rushed me to the hospital. Sabi nga ng doktor, kung na-late ko og 30 minutes, probably I'm dead.
Really?
So dito, ang madungog na lang ako, kato na lang mga tingog-tingog nga sang ipangbutang-butang na diri.
So it took 3 months before they could
Yeah,
stabilize
transfer
you.
ko og tulok hospital.
Okay.
Kaya nga naman, ang sa first hospital, sa International Hospital, and for 3 days, millions ang
Millions.
gasto.
Okay.
All of my savings were
God.
literally gone. Lahat ng pinaghirapan ko nawala. Good
For-
thing na meron kaming Provident Fund at saka na insurance sa mga hotel.
Nakatabang-tabang.
Nakatabang.
Okay, but 3 hospitals nilipat ka, tapos
ang nakanindot pag yun, Rovic, no, kay ang mga tag-iya, very kind-hearted yun sila. So, sila pa nananghid, Jay, is it okay if we would like to transfer you to another hospital? The government hospital? Pero which is quite far from the city. So, uban po na akong mama dito. Yan, we rented a place. Since dili ko kasakasaka, ang akong brother mo ito yung magpasan-pasan sa kuha.
So, the family
Yeah, timan ani mo ha, katong akong brother mo abroad dapat siya. Pero nag-sacrifice diyang opportunity to go abroad.
that's family.
That's fact.
All Talks of Life would like to thank Miss Bridget. Cozy vibe and upbeat atmosphere, perfect for day-to-night mingling and dining. Ken Howell Multimedia Services. Cool Smiles Dental Clinic. Changing Smiles, Changing Lives. And Vibe Multimedia.
Grabe, Jay, no? First
Yes.
time na yung istorya. Your life story.
First
And
time.
grabe pala. Pero hindi pa natapos.
Hindi pa natapos.
Kasi after you been stable sa Thailand, umuwi ka.
Forcibly end my contract. Actually, ang akong boss, dili ko niya gusto pa ulion. Siya, you can recover here. They offer the place for me for free na. Sabi ko, kasi technically speaking, wala naman ko dito, di ba?
So before ka ni uli, naayo ka dito, gi-offeran ka pa, pero
Okay, gusto niya nga maayo ko dito kay gusto gyapon ko niya nga parte gyapon ko dito.
but your body,
But my body cannot do it. Siguro
as
part
hindi yung kakakanta.
makakanta gamay pero ang ako ang self-esteem very low. Tapos siguro kung makita lang ko nimo kasi I never posted on social media.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
After that
Yeah.
incident.
Kasi I'm the type of person na dili ko gusto magkaroon og kanang reaction ang mga tao na kanang self-pity ko or kanang kaawaan ako or maraming tanong, ayoko nang ganun. So kung napapansin mo during that time, siguro I never posted. So nag-recycle lang ko mga picture. And that's the time I started to share pictures with caption na kanang maka-inspire. I still have that positive outlook in life. Hopeful gihapon ko.
So silently, you went through it and
Yes.
your recovery was posting
Yes.
mga positive things.
Yes. While I am literally recovering.
Recovering. With that, nawala tong imong singing career.
Na which I really love.
Kasi syempre, wag ka nag-practice og profession nimo.
Wala.
Mauna gud nimo ning gibuhat na
Oh.
profession nimo and you've reached stardom in that place in Thailand.
Correct.
Diba? You were looking forward siguro to grow old as a star in Thailand. Then bang, hagba tungod sa early
Oh.
stage of liver cancer. Giun sa pag-recover ni
Ni
Jay.
Jay. So ako amang good. Na ako'y karang batasan na kanang tama tong giingon nimo gali na sa intro nga resilient. Gusto yun ko mo move forward kay dili pwede nga dito lang tataman. So no matter whatever it takes dapat maningkamot gihapon ta.
So sa pagpaningkamot, unahon nato, giunsa ni Jay pagbalik sa iyang vitality when it comes to health.
You know what? It started with humility. Kay literally speaking, when I wanted to start again, wala sa kuha eh. Gusto ko magnegosyo, wala man ko ang ako naipon nahurot.
Millions eh.
Nahurot. Yeah. I wanted to start somewhere, pero asa man. Ana, pero it started with humility. Accept the fact na dili nakakaroon, wala na ka diri.
Wala na ka dito
Wala
itong
na ka
naabot
diri.
nimo.
Kay kung if you cannot accept it, manggod, maglisod kag sugod. So, mugawas ko sa mall, makahudi ko, kay nga naman, dili ko ganahan makitaan. Pero I'm still so grateful na whenever I go out, daghan man gihapon maka-recognize. O, di ba? Makaanak ko nga, uy, sayang man po. Na pa man gihapon mo appreciate sa kuha. Daghan pa man gihapon mo acknowledge sa kuha. And I hated music for a while.
You hated the thing that you love
Yes.
for a while. Bakit?
Panahon pa naman na sa The Voice, sa kana mga idol, di ba? Sa TV, makita nimo sa ASAP, makita nimo sa
The
mga,
peak of music career na may chance na lahat ng mga tao to be a star, di ba?
yes. Nya, kaya man ako na kantahon,
Mas kaya
Mas kaya pa
pag
man gay
ako
na ako
mag-perform,
na.
ana.
pero ang imong lawas dili man makaya. Ana ba?
Hangak.
Hangak. Labaw pa sa hangak.
So you hated music.
I hated music. And there was a friend of mine, iya kong gidala sa bar, kasabaan pa na ako siya. Ano yung kong gidala dali?
Iaway pa niyo.
Iaway na ako. Kabalo naman ka nga, dili na ako ni gusto, but it really helped a lot. Okay, eventually na-embrace man ako siya balik-balik.
Okay, pero question, giyon sa pag-recover sa health, physical sa ta?
Physically, okay, for a year, nag-detoxify ko.
Once you say detoxify,
Stay
sana
away,
mga...
stay away from everything na makasama sa health na to. So I literally practice healthy living. And then during the time of 2015, if I can still remember, December, a friend of mine gave me this set of JC products.
Mhm.
So it consists of to be specific, Calvin C, Ford Green, and the JC organic barley.
So yun ang tinake mo.
Yan ang tinake ko. Aside from my medication.
Okay.
So tinake
So
ko
you
yun.
still have your medication and took this product, igihatag sa mo.
Yes.
So, anong naging effect sa'yo?
Surprisingly, it worked for me.
Wow.
So, muna to ang siguro the door has opened. The Lord has opened another door for me.
So, gaano katagal naka-recover si Jay in terms of yung sabihin mo, yung kanta na lang kasi 'di ba sabi mo hindi ka makakanta because of your physical state.
Yeah.
Pero dahil doon,
Dahil doon,
naka-perform ka ulit.
Naka-perform na ako slowly by slowly. So, for the next 2 years, so, murag ang katong gikuha sa kuha ni Lord na kanta-kanta ni balik siya,
hinay-hinay.
hinay-hinay. Then I started accepting
Gigs.
small gigs. Tapos gikuha ko balik sa mga mag-jam ko sa mga banda.
Mhm.
'Di ba? It takes humility to jam. Karon sa una star ka kapon jammer na lang ka.
Mura
Diba?
nagsingit-singit na lang ka, mura
Singit-singit
katong
na lang.
ginatawag na lang nimo.
Oh,
Singit sa gusto mo join
Ikaw
sa
tong pinaka main performer dati pero karon ikaw jammer na lang ka. But since passion man ako na siya, wala ko'y pakialam.
But Jay, something happened. The same time as it restored your health, it gave you an opportunity to put yung ginagawa na motivational help to other people at a bigger scale, at a
Yes,
bigger platform.
scope. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So since ginagamit ko na yung mga produkto, yung friend ko na yon, yung aking former high school classmate. Hi Susan, if you're watching.
Ay, Susan,
Hi
ayan.
Susan yun na. Karon niya akong gidala sa Jensan. Kaya naman ko nakabase sa Jensan that time, during my recovery time. So, wala ko kabalo nga behind that product, nada siya negosyo.
Mm.
Pwede na siya himong negosyo pod.
Okay.
So, it opened another door for me. Wala pa niabot dayon ng business eh. But since I am a user and I am a believer of the product, wala na sila naglisod o convince ako.
It was natural.
Natural na.
Yun yung door of opportunity na
Yes.
nawala sa'yo na financial. So you took that opportunity and take.
And I even told Susan at saka yung ibang mga leaders doon na, can I still use the stage this time? If I'm going to choose this one, I would like to use the stage as well.
Pero
To speak.
Pero ang stage hindi na for singing only, but to speak.
As an
About
advocate of health, at the same time to inspire people with my story, sa pagiging resilient to to keep on moving forward, whatever it takes.
So, doon pumasok yung
Doon na
pagiging
yung pumasok yung pagiging
motivational
speaker.
speaker and
Yes.
life mentor.
Yes, that's right.
And through that process, you help a lot of people. Kasi
Yes.
totoo yung kwento mo.
Totoo ang
Hindi gawa.
kwento. Hindi siya gawa.
Diba? So, from there, Jay became King Tiger.
Yes.
So, bakit King Tiger ang napili?
Siguro probably because I was born in the year of the tiger.
Mm.
So, nga na, siguro nahita mo ato powerful mo gud pag may kag tiger.
Mm.
So, King Tiger. So, wala pa man siguro yung nagkuha ani nga murag brand.
So, you wanted that
Yeah.
brand.
So,
And maybe because of your hairstyle,
Yeah.
that is a tiger.
Kana very ano ba ako, very expressive when it
Yes.
comes to styling.
Yes.
Fearless,
Even before.
fearless, di ba?
Yeah,
no?
even before, fearless. So, nabuo. Yung mga bits of Jay in the past
Aha,
is the Jay you are today.
correct.
By life lessons. Let's talk about life lessons. If you're going to share maybe at least 3 powerful life lessons or what I call awesome life lessons.
Number 1 jud siguro, do not take your health for granted. Kaya nga naman, ako very complacent eh. Healthy man ang akong lifestyle, ang ako ang family history, blah 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 blah, pero lifestyle can really somehow kuan sa imong makaapekto gid na siya. Kung unsa imong ginabuhat, mao po na it will take toll on yourself.
Ang second.
Ang second, maingon nako na save money for the rainy days. Kay mo gyud naiwa sa kuha.
Mhm.
Kay I was literally happy-go-lucky. I'm one of those people na enjoy the moment. Na kanang, what's in it for me? Wala ko'y pagkalabugma. Kay di ba, tomorrow has its own problem. O di ba? Kay kabalo ka kung ako lang na siya nahimo sa na practice sa una, wala siguro kay ko nahutdan. Kay naman siguro
Wala na
somehow,
sagad.
Wala na sagad. Kato sagad negative pa nga siguro. That's why I am so grateful kay katong ako mga former bandmates, mga music sa industry mismo sa Davao, di ba kamo? Salamat kay sa inyong tanan. Napakayhon nag-host pa kadto katong concert for a cause na para ako makatabang sa akong hospitalization sa Thailand. So, di ba, touch ko during that time I became so I become so emotional pag until this time whenever I talk to that particular era
Mhm.
of my life na karang murag na validate ang ako ang pagkaako nga daghan pa man day gihapon
Nagpalangga sa imo.
palangga sa kuha kay kanang usay matas jud ko ana bay grabe kaduhan ako ni hilak pa
Again, wala to natuyo.
kaduhan
The third lesson.
the third lesson sometimes misfortune is a blessing in disguise.
Wow, ganda nun. Sometimes, misfortune is a blessing in disguise.
Kasi come to think of it, para sa kuha murag misfortune to kay nawala nga ako ang passion, nawala nga ako ang opportunity.
Nawala ang income.
Everything was taken from me and it's so painful, di ba? Kay katong ang akong pinaka-love, ang akong pinaka-greatest love gikuha sa kuha. Pero I never realized na yun pala yung magbubukas din ng another pa na opportunity.
Music is your passion.
Mhm.
I would like to ask you, kung happy si Jay, anong kinakanta ni Jay ngayon?
Happy, lovely day siguro by Bill Withers. When I wake up in the morning, di ba? Yan. And the sunlight hurts my eyes. Yun.
Di ba? Tapos kung challenge and sad si Jay,
There would be 2 in mind. Gone Too Soon by Michael Jackson. And yung kanta gani ni Celeste Legaspi.
can you sing that part?
Ang lingap mo ay hanapin sa entablado minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako ay malimutan kahit sa awit, kung man lamang iyo sanang matandaan bago tuluyang lumisan na minsan ang minahal ay ako.
Wow, that's your story.
That's my story. And the stage used to be my playground. Na
But
kinuha sa akin for a while.
But now,
But now,
your
still,
stage.
it's still mine.
With a bigger
Bigger
purpose.
purpose, yes.
Ganda. Well, let's talk about your fulfillment and dreams kasi sabi mo, yung past mo, it's a blessing. Di ba? But right now, on your state right now, on your status right now, ano pa yung gusto ma-accomplish ni Jay?
Daghan pa because I am a very playful person. Dili ko gusto nga especially for sa mga nanghitabo sa dati pa. So karon dapat kumurag panahon pa na ako nga mubawi eh. Push pa ko. And I am a believer na life has an endless offering. So daghan pa tang i-aim, daghan pa tang i-achieve na pwede pa.
So, ang
So,
King Tiger.
strive for more.
Yeah, so ang King Tiger na hunter,
Oh,
yan yung ano. So, sige, isa-isahin natin. First, for yourself.
for myself, I want to inspire people in a wider scope pag yun. And I think this program of yours can really help me kumbaga amplify ang ako ang life story na maka-inspire somehow sa mga tao nato nga viewers sa imong show.
Yeah, kasi it's the first time you share this story.
It's the very first time.
Jay, for your family, lalo na sa mga kapatid mo na hindi kayo iniwan.
I am truly blessed. Kasi dili man gyud perfect ang family no. Naman gyud tay mga favorite sibling, naman po tay katong medyo nakaawayan jud nimo sa una ka na mag literal nga magkuan jud mo ba
Yung more of disagreement.
oh,
di ba?
disagreement. Dili lang kay katong mga gagmay mo kamo perminti
Sumbaganay yun.
Sumbaganay gyud. Pero you know what? God is really good. Kato gani akong giingon sa imuha nga
Muhakwat sa imo.
muhakwat sa ko amo to siyang perminti na ko makaaway sa una.
Jay, naana naman yung ka dire. Nigawas naman yung ka. If you want to talk to your siblings,
Ay
sa
nako.
gusto ni
When it comes to family good no diha na bay. Na break na nako siguro ang record na rin no. Katulo naman jud ni. I never talk about. I'm not so flaunty when it comes to family kay mura makurnihan ko. Tinod bitaw makurnihan ko pero they deserve that respect and kanang pagpasalamat. Dili ko expressive sa ila literally pero karon yeah. I just want to make this platform na maparating sa ila how much I truly love them.
how much it really.
Yeah.
Sarap pakinggan nun. Hindi na kailangan mahaba.
Hindi na kailangan. Kasi dili ko expressive na tao yun.
Diba? Jay, sabi mo, you want to amplify what you have. You already said, I love you to your family. And that I love you could mean a lot of things.
Yes.
Asking forgiveness. Thanking them for how they supported you. Ngayon, I know you wanted to go to the next level wherein a bigger community ang ma-share mo.
Correct. Kasi daghan kaayong tao karon nga they are faced with too many trials, especially during pandemic time, no? Mo gyud tong pinaka major na recent na paghitabo nga nakaapekto gyud sa tong tanan na even some people lost their lives. Pero karon I want to make this kaning advocacy nato sa health. Aside from that, kanang atong mindset magud it can really affect.
Okay. So, when talk about mindset and your commitment to help the community that you want to reach,
You
ano
know,
yung mindset ni King Tiger that
Yeah.
you really want
because
to share?
technically daghan tang paraan mutabang natay paraan na magiging philanthropista mutabang ta sa mga charity, but in my own little way this business where I am in right now, so I believe no because I am a truly believer of this company, so mao pud ni siyang akong way na makatabang sa mga tao na gusto mo start again from scratch. They can do it part-time. They can do it at the very comfort of their homes. And katong mga tao nga feeling nila and important na sila, pwede sila magkaroon ng value ulit through this one.
And doon sa mga taong natulungan mo before, marami na eh.
Marami na.
Anong gusto mong matandaan nila sa isang Jay? Sa isang King Tiger?
Sometimes people, upon looking me, no, kanang ma-intimidate do sila. Ma-intimidate ba sila sa kuha ba? Parang dili man siguro, no? Kay, kung ikaw makailakas ko, kay bungis-ngis,
Bungis-ngis sa katawa, di ba?
diba?
Dali kastoryaon.
Pero ang kabalo ka, ang istorya nila sa kuha, ma-intimidate. Madlok, mugi na mga tumigan ng na mga mag-favor, ikaw na istorya na kay madlok sa imo ha. Siguro the look, siguro buhok ba? Basta matusok sila lang ba?
Maybe because, di ba, the King Tiger, feeling nila
Strong.
untamed. But once you get to know, di ba, pwede
pala siya magiging best friend mo. Pwede pala siya magiging katonga ko, di ba?
Pero going back, how
Yes.
do they want to remember Jay, the King Tiger?
I want them to remember me as not only as a successful person, but as a good friend. Yung genuine na ma-remember ko nila. Kay daghang tao gusto nila ma-remember sila kay daghan sila natabangan financially, uban pa. Pero ako gusto na ko ma-remember ko as an ordinary guy na it takes a humble person to say that as murag ana good
As an ordinary guy that they could talk to.
they could talk to. Na every time na, uy, kato siya, mobile ato siya, ang katong perminti na ko tawagan niya, kanang mo to, yung perminti magpakatawa sa kuha, kanang na ako sa akong pinaka-lowest part sa ako ang life. Nga na.
Last question, Jay.
Yes.
If you are going to talk to your younger self after going through all of this, would you say to your younger self that he need to change his life or relive his life?
Ako, I have no regrets in life. Be it bad or good, ang nahitabo sa ako during the past years. But I still believe that everything has a reason. Di ba na-appeal na siya dito sa kuang kuan eh. Sa kuang mura og mantra. Sa kong principle in life. So I do believe na mo lang gihapon, Jay lang gihapon ko. Pero siguro ang ako lang advice nga mahatag sa iya, take it, kumbaga, namatay ka, be mindful sa imong gipanghimo.
Mao to insulted nila. Be mindful.
Be mindful.
Anong pinanghahawakan mong verse sa Bible, Jay?
Kanang Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans of you, not to harm you, but to give you hope and to prosper you. So, mo na siya akong gipanghawakan. Every time na naako sa ako ang trial or trying times, mo gid na kay ang Ginoo ray nakabalo sa tanan sa tuwa.
In wrapping up, Jay,
Yes.
if you're going to have one song of celebration right now, ano yung song na kakantahin ni Jay?
La, daghan man kaayo. Actually, I'm not singing this song.
Okay?
Oo, pero ganahan lang yun ko sa lyrics because it's somehow kumbaga ito yung purag definition sa ko ang purag soundtrack na ko siya.
Sige daw.
Kanta yun siya sa akong paborito nga singer. The ultimate favorite singer of mine, Stevie Wonder, and it's called Higher Ground. So sa iyang chorus man gud dito.
You sing it, Jay. Come on, Jay. Come on, bye.
Nako naman talaga yan. So, I'm so darn glad that he let me try it again.
Okay, ano yung lyrics again? Sige.
I'm so darn glad
Okay.
that he let me try it again.
Okay.
Oh, di ba? Because my last time on earth, I lived a whole world of sin. Di ba? I'm so glad that I know more than I knew then. Gonna keep on trying till I reach my highest ground.
Can I hear you sing it?
I'm so damn glad that he let me try it again. Because my last time on earth I lived a whole world of sin. And I'm glad that I knew more than I knew then. Gonna keep on trying till I reach the highest ground.
Woo!
Yun.
And that is where we wrap it up, Jay.
Yay!
King Tiger, thank you for being part of All Talks of Life.
I survived.
Yes.
Grabe,
and thank
no?
you for sharing your life story. Guys, ang journey ni Jay is a testament on how you can persevere, have faith, and fill your life with passion. Kaya naman, sa mga taong dumadaan ng mga pagsubok dyan, even to the lowest point, you just need to look at it not as a curse, but as a blessing in disguise. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng All Talks of Life, all glory belongs to our Creator. Be awesome all the time.